Good evening, everyone. We're going to begin with the sad fact that two Twin Cities children have been killed in garage door accidents.
Separate accidents, but on the same day, less than 1 hour apart. The accidents happened yesterday, one in Eden Prairie, the other in Roseville. 10-year-old Daniel Tracy died when his chest was crushed by the automatic garage door at his Roseville home. The child in the Eden Prairie accident, 9-year-old Abby Henry, she was found pinned under the door. Authorities who were called to the Henry home yesterday say Abby died instantly. Today, police were back examining the garage door opener to see if they could come up with answers to how this happened. A broken spring was found, but no one knows if that contributed. At Eden Lake School, where Abby was in the 4th grade, a crisis team was called in to help students deal with their grief. Eden Prairie police have ruled Abby's death an accident.
And it was just 50 minutes after Abby died yesterday that the body of 10-year-old Daniel Tracy was discovered pinned under the garage door of his Roseville home. Tonight, Daniel's father agreed to talk with us to make sure this doesn't happen to anybody else's child.
It's the worst day of my life. I mean, life has been so good to us till yesterday. And now you never imagine that a 10-year-old will die before you do.
Mr. Tracy says children just don't realize that garage doors are hazardous. Far too many children use them as playthings, a game the Tracys know all too well can be deadly.
Since 1982, 34 children under the age of 12 have been killed in garage door accidents nationwide. Those statistics and tonight's tragic news have parents wondering how to prevent something like this from happening to their children. Pat Kessler looked into that.
You may be surprised to learn there are no laws regulating garage door openers. Even so, most manufacturers do make automatic safety reverse features. If something gets in the door's way, it simply bounces back up.
Safety feature in a garage door, basically if the door contacts something, it will stop and reverse. Simple as that. Now it should do that up here, it should do it on top of your car, it should do it within 2 inches of the floor.
The people who install garage door openers for a living say a simple check could prevent a tragedy.
We have an adjustment on the back, and if you'll see that it says close on there with an arrow. That increases the sensitivity, or you can decrease it by going the other way around.
It is up to you to make sure the door works properly. You should check the hinges, the springs, and the lubrication. Parents should install an opener button where the children cannot reach it and lock the remote control switch in the glove compartment.
If you want to check out the door yourself, it's real simple to do. Just take a 2x4 and set it on end and let the door hit it. If it doesn't bounce up like this, have someone come out and take a look at it. Pat Kessler, WCCO Television News.
If you'd like more information on this subject, the Consumer Product Safety Commission has printed a safety alert on garage doors. To get a copy, please send us a letter at Garage Safety Alert, WCCO Television, 90 South 11.